Greetings! It's Maxo Diddley and today I'm going to show you how you can carry any amount of weight in Palworld. So let's get right into it. So, I'm going to go to my chest, and I've got 9,999 stone that I want to carry over to that chest over there. And I can't carry that much. That weighs quite a bit. But there's a little trick we can do. So I want you to basically pick it up, so you left click and keep it in the dragon state. Then I want you to press the tab key on your keyboard to close the item menu. You need to hold left click still to keep this being dragged. And I want you to then walk over to the chest you want to put the items in, open it up, then drag it into a slot. And, as you can see, we successfully dragged 9,999 stone from one chest to another. And that's how the glitch works. Well, I think it's a glitch, but hey, maybe it's a bug that turns into a feature. So thanks for watching this very quick tutorial, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.